everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing some Christmas crafts today, and do you remember the woolly jumpers I got from the charity shop in my last charity shop haul? Well, as I said, I'm going to be cutting them up today and doing some Christmas crafts. So, oh, would you like my new cup? Glass cup. Nice cup of tea. I got this from Home Bargains. I should have got two. I've got my hot gun ready, my heat gun, my hot gun, hot glue gun. I'll get there in the end. Hot glue gun. So I'm going to heat that up in a minute. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's get cracking on the crafts. So my first project is, I'm going to cover these books in my woolly jumpers. So I'm going to paint these white first because I don't want the dark showing through on the jumpers. So I'll give them a base coat of white. I ended up giving these two coats. I just done the front and the back and the spine, and I done the pages as well because when I done it white, the pages looked dirty, so I just painted the pages as well. So they've all had two coats, and I painted the pages as well. With my scissors, I'm just going to cut the arms off. I'll cut up both seams, and then I'll have two pieces of material to play with. I'm just measuring the book here to see how much material I need. So I think I only need 1/2 inch all the way around just to glue inside the book. I'm just checking on the spine. I need it to be straight on the spine and with a nice enough pattern because that's what's going to be showing. I'm ready to hot glue it all now, so I'm just going to do the spine first and just make sure that's all straight. And then I'll hot glue the sides into the book. I'm just putting a bit of hot glue on the front of the book there so it stays in place. I'm just using this tin of paint to rest the book while I hot glue this side of the book, and then I'll do the same on the other side. I'm just doing the other side now. I'm going to do the second book in the same jumper. I'm just cutting the sleeves off this sweatshirt. I love the pattern on this. It's like a thick chunky cable knit, and I want to cover one of the books in this as well. Isn't that lovely? So the last book's going to look great with this chunky knit. I hope I've got enough material to cover it. Just double checking the spine looks pretty, and it does. This one's a chunky knit, so I'm going to try and flatten it as much as I can so the book closes. They turned out so well. Oh, I'm absolutely over the moon with them. The problem is now is where I'm going to put them, and you can style them in all different ways, lying flat or standing up on a shelf. They look good everywhere. So I've got this spare piece of wool, and I thought it would be lovely to wrap up one of my vases. So I'm wrapping this around the thinnest part of the vase, and I'm not sure whether the hot glue would stick, so I've got a piece of yarn here, and I'll sew the tightest part up with the yarn and a needle, and then I'll just hot glue the rest. I'll just trim this bottom and then I'll hot glue it to the glass. So I'll just stand it up and make sure it stands up okay. I did get that little bit on the bottom, I did glue that little bit there. So you can put fresh flowers in there or artificial ones like I have, and it looks amazing, doesn't it? Happy with that. So I've still got a bit left. So hubby made these trees a while back, and they're made out of scrap laminate flooring, and I thought they were brilliant, and he's made a few of them. He painted some and left some bare, and then he made some Christmas trees out of scrap wood as well. So I was thinking of covering that one because the paint job's not very good. And then I'm thinking I could cover that one because there's a nice cable pattern going down, and I thought it would be nice on that tree. Yeah, it looks okay, doesn't it? So I'm just going to turn this inside out and cut down the seam. So I'm just going to position this on the tree and making sure the cable pattern is right in the middle, and then glue it on with my hot glue gun. I'm just going to glue this middle bit so it stays put in the middle. And then I'll hot glue each side on the front of my tree. And then I'll hot glue down each side and then hot glue the back and secure that. Just making sure it stands up properly. And now I'll tackle the top bit. It doesn't matter about the top bit because I'm going to put a pom-pom on top, so it doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. I got this pom-pom garland last year and I never ever used it, so I'm going to use the pom-poms on it. I'm just closing the hole up on the top and then I can glue my pom-pom on top with my glue gun. So I'm going to do this tree really quickly. And I'm using the thinner wool for this one. I'm going to stick another little pom-pom on top and then this Christmas tree is done. So I've just found some wooden Merry Christmas embellishments and thought it'd be cute to put it on my Christmas tree. So I'll just hot glue that on. It looks adorable. So I found a stag or a deer. Is it a stag or a deer? And I just hot glued that onto my other tree. I like that. It looks great. I'm just looking for things to cover now. So I found this in one of my boxes, half done. So I thought, oh well, I'll cover that then. I said to my fella, beware if it's not nailed down. I'm covering it with jumpers. I'm putting another stag on my house because they look so cute, and then this little house is done. I've loved making every one of these. I love the different patterns in the wall. I love the way the books turned out and the Christmas trees. So which ones were your favourite? I'll be looking for more jumpers in the charity shop or the car boot sale. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!